Welcome to my channel, where we delve into all things health and wellness. Today, we'll be exploring the world of Yoga Burn, a transformative program that's been taking the fitness world by storm. If you're looking for a way to blend relaxation with weight loss results, you might be onto something great. So, what exactly is Yoga Burn? It's a unique approach to yoga that focuses on both flexibility and fat burning. But before we dive in, remember that it's crucial to buy Yoga Burn only from the official website to avoid fake products. The official site is the only place where you can get genuine product, along with exclusive discounts and reliable support. For your convenience, I've included the link to the official website in the description below. In this review, we'll be discussing the benefits of yoga and how Yoga Burn can help you achieve your health and weight loss goals. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. By incorporating dynamic sequencing, mindfulness practices, and holistic techniques, Yoga Burn helps its members achieve their physical, mental, and emotional goals in a sustainable and effective way. If you're looking to enhance your yoga practice, improve your overall well-being, and transform your body and mind, then Yoga Burn is the program for you. Yoga Burn is a revolutionary fitness program designed specifically for women, created by renowned fitness expert Bray-Cotton. This program is not your typical yoga class. It's a dynamic and engaging way to practice yoga that's accessible to all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, Yoga Burn offers a unique and effective way to enhance your practice and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember to click the link in the description below to read full review about this fascinating product. One of the key benefits of Yoga Burn is its focus on dynamic sequencing. This means that each workout is strategically designed to build upon the last, effectively challenging your body and mind in new and exciting ways. Through this method, you'll increase your strength, flexibility, and endurance, while also improving your balance and coordination. Not only will Yoga Burn help you achieve your weight loss goals, but it will also help you cultivate a sense of inner peace and mindfulness. The Yoga Burn program is divided into 3 phases, each with its own unique set of workouts. The first phase, called Foundational Flow, is designed to help beginners build a strong foundation in yoga. This phase focuses on basic poses and techniques, ensuring that you're comfortable and confident in your practice. As you progress to the second phase, Transitional Flow, you'll start to incorporate more challenging sequences and poses, pushing your body to new limits. Finally, in the third phase, Mastery Flow, you'll combine everything you've learned to create a seamless and fluid practice that will leave you feeling strong, empowered, and revitalized. One of the fascinating aspects of Yoga Burn is its use of the dynamic sequencing technique. This method encourages your body to adapt to new movements, making your practice more effective. And let's not skip over the community aspect. Many users rave about the support and motivation they found in the online group, which is fantastic for keeping you accountable. Remember to click the link in the description below to read full review about this fascinating product. What sets Yoga Burn apart from other fitness programs is its emphasis on holistic wellness. In addition to weight loss benefits, Yoga Burn also teaches its members the importance of mental and emotional well-being. Through mindfulness practices, breathing exercises, and meditative techniques, Yoga Burn helps you connect with your inner self and cultivate a sense of peace and clarity. This comprehensive approach to weight loss sets Yoga Burn apart from other programs and makes it a truly transformative experience for its members. Many women have seen dramatic changes in their strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. It's not about extreme body transformations overnight, but rather a consistent, positive change over time. Countless women have experienced real results with Yoga Burn, transforming their bodies and minds in ways they never thought possible. From increased flexibility and strength to improved mental clarity and focus, the benefits of Yoga Burn are truly life-changing. By committing to the program and embracing the practice of yoga, these women have taken control of their health and wellness and have emerged stronger, happier, and more confident than ever before. In conclusion, Yoga Burn is a powerful and transformative program that offers a unique approach to fitness and wellness. By incorporating dynamic sequencing, mindfulness practices, and holistic techniques, YogaBurn helps its members achieve their physical, mental, and emotional goals in a sustainable and effective way. If you're looking to enhance your yoga practice, improve your overall well-being, and transform your body and mind, then YogaBurn is the program for you. Remember to click the link in the description below to read full review about this fascinating product. So, don't forget to join the YogaBurn community today and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. So don't forget to click the link below to learn more and grab a product before it sells out. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future health tips and reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will be diving into the world of product reviews.